So you're interested in a side hustle to make a little extra money, and maybe building that little bit of money into a little more than a little bit. Well, you're in luck because there's a mountain of opportunity. You'll find reputable names in the personal finance space have plenty to say about side hustles and the revenue that they can make. Dave Ramsey and his Ramsey Solution team, including Rachel and George, and others such as Stephan, all cover this path to a little extra wealth, oftentimes over multiple videos because there's just so many options. I'm Alex Stoermer, I'm a self-made millionaire, and in this video we're going to cover 5 side hustles I've found and researched for you, each of which that you can get started with today, oftentimes with the ability to get paid starting this week. We'll start with the easiest and build our way to the most, shall we say, financially interesting opportunities at the end. Now, for each one of these opportunities, we're going to examine what the side hustle is, the financial opportunity size, the commitment level required, and how to get started with that particular opportunity when you find something that interests you. Let's dive in. The first super easy side hustle is called Rakuten. Rakuten is a cashback rewards program. Now, stores pay Rakuten a commission for sending you to them, and the company then splits some of that reward with you. You could think of it as similar to the way credit card rewards work, except you can buy with whatever payment means you want. The company has partnered with some 3,000 stores, including Walmart, Kohl's, Macy's, Target, Nike, Adidas, Finish Line, PetSmart, Lowe's, and so on. So the idea is that you can earn a cashback reward on things you're probably buying anyway. In terms of financial opportunity size, the company says their average cashback per user in 2020 was $63.50, but with a lifetime company total of over $2 billion paid out. So obviously the more you use the tool, the more you'd earn in cash back. The payout is in cash directly into your PayPal account, so that's great. To get started, you can use your computer by adding the Rakuten browser extension, or you can use the Rakuten app on your phone, or you can shop directly on Rakuten.com. In terms of commitment level, well, it's very low here with no upfront cost and near zero commitment. In terms of opportunity size financially, the earning potential is on the lower end of the spectrum, but so is the commitment level, and the risk is low too. Not bad, so I'll give Rakuten a 2 out of 10 on the opportunity scale. Next up is Google Opinion Rewards, and the type of work is surveys. Now, Opinion Rewards is an app for Android and iOS that allows users to take surveys and earn rewards as a result. On Android, the rewards are paid in Google Play credits, but for iOS, the rewards can be taken via cash into a PayPal account. Behind the scenes, market researchers are generating these surveys for you to take. Regarding the financial opportunity here, Google states that you'll earn between 10 cents and $1 per survey. However, the payout threshold is low, specifically every $2. Additionally, the risk here is very low. I mean, we're talking Google here, and the user rating for the app is off the charts. At the time of this recording, over 160,000 ratings, averaging out to over 4.5 stars. The commitment level here is also low. You have zero upfront cost in time, and you can take surveys whenever you want and whenever they're available, but are never obligated to take surveys. What you need to get started is an Android or iOS device. You'd head to the App Store, download that app, fill out some basic demographic information like your age and gender, and then you'll be notified when surveys are available for you to take. Now again, earnings potential is on the lower end, but the risk factor is essentially zero. The barriers to entry are also virtually non-existent, and the commitment is essentially zero. So overall, I'll give Google Opinion Rewards a 3 out of 10 on the opportunity scale. You could think of it as a great first side hustle to try out. Side hustle opportunity number 3 is ejury.com, and it isn't your typical side hustle. ejury.com is what's called a mock jury service. The service is used to train attorneys, so these aren't real trials, but rather trials on paper. Now, mock jurors are paid between $5 and $10 per case, depending on the length of the case, and the amount will be shown at the top of each case so you can decide beforehand. After building some experience with the process, the company says the average case is about 35 minutes, and this was for a case that was 6 pages long. Payments are made to you through PayPal. Now, it's worth noting that there are not an infinite number of cases available, and the number will be affected by the area you live in. With higher density population areas, averaging more cases available. So this side hustle is something that you may add to your option list and then take them when they're available sort of thing. As the company says, you won't get rich being an e-juror, but if you do a few cases a week in your free time, you could cover some of your utility bills for the month. In terms of commitment, you need only a computer, there's no upfront cost, and you can take cases when you do or don't want to. Commitment level as an e-juror is wonderfully low. To get started as an e-juror, you would go to ejury.com and click their sign-up link. Based on the low commitment, reasonable earning potential, zero need to leave your house, and direct PayPal deposits, I'll give ejury.com a 4 out of 10 opportunity rating. Next up is usertesting.com. Companies go to usertesting.com when they have a product that they want feedback on. In fact, and according to the company, 75 of the Fortune 100 companies have used usertesting.com. This could be user interface testing for software products, or user design testing for physical products, or holistic customer experience feedback, and so on. You can use either an iOS or Android mobile device, or a full computer, meaning either a Mac or a PC, to participate. If you use your mobile device, you'll download their app, and if you're using a computer, you don't need to download anything. Now, in terms of financial opportunity size, users are reporting higher revenue when they use a computer over a mobile device, with one user saying he made $60 over the first few months because he was only using his phone, but when he switched to his laptop and monitored the available opportunities, he quickly made $200. Another usertesting.com tester reported making about $3,000 over 2.5 years, gave it a 10 out of 10 review, and noted that it got her through a tough financial period. Payout timeframe is reported to be 7 days, but that a prompt PayPal deposit at the exact time described on that 7th day is typical. If getting paid to give your opinion sounds good to you, do me a favor and smash the like button, because if you do, YouTube will push this video out to other people, helping them find opportunities to improve their lives as well, and I'd really appreciate it. Commitment level for usertesting.com is also low, as there's no financial cost to start if you're using a mobile device with a microphone. If you're using a computer, you will need a microphone, but most have one built in, and otherwise any decently rated $15 headset from Amazon will do. There's essentially no time cost to start either, just a few minutes to apply. To get started with usertesting.com, you would go to their website and select the Get Paid to Test Sign Up option. You'll then answer some questions to help the company match you with the right opportunities, start taking tests, and then get paid. Because earning potential is higher, because their client list is full of Fortune 100 companies, and they have solid Trustpilot reviews, I'll give usertesting.com a solid 6 out of 10 on the opportunity rating. The fifth side hustle opportunity is a secret shopper and customer experience consultant service, meaning you'll be taking assignments to do things like dine at restaurants, shop at assigned stores, and so on. You'll need a cell phone and reliable transportation to get to the locations, and work is handled on an assignment by assignment basis. You can even find day in the life of videos of people taking you along on their second to none secret shopper days for a deep dive, if this is the type of side hustle you're giving some serious consideration. In this video, YouTube channel Lovely LaShawn takes you on a full day of mystery shopping with her to show you how it works, but she also times things and gives you her financial results for the day, which was $30 an hour. Now, of course, we're talking side hustles here, but some quick math is that $30 an hour is $60,000 a year. I'll put a link to her video in the description of this one. Now, besides the hourly rate of being a secret shopper, you can see that there is opportunity to earn money directly here as well. Lovely LaShawn has affiliate links in her video description that her audience can buy, meaning she's leveraging her mystery shopping side hustle in multiple ways. And that's how side hustles can turn into machines bigger than your day job. To get started, you would go to secondtonone.com, fill out the application, which they say takes about 30 minutes, and then you can begin searching for the assignments. They'll also email you with assignments available in your area. In terms of commitment level, here again there's near zero upfront time cost. Dollar cost is that of gas for your transportation and a mobile device. Because you can take an assignment anytime you want and without obligation, commitment is medium to low. In terms of opportunity rating, based on their 35 years in business, A+ Better Business Bureau rating, and 2019 Incorporated's Best Place to Work award, combined with reasonable revenue earning potential, I'll give second to none a 6 out of 10 opportunity rating. But if you plan to leverage it into selling related products or services directly through a channel of your own like Lovely did, Well, I'm bumping it up to a 7 out of 10. Now, this is the channel for wealth builders, so if you'd like to build wealth with us, it's free to subscribe. And when you do, I've got over 100 financial education videos already available to you for free. If you'd like to see 5 more side hustle opportunities, then you can watch this video right here. I'm Alex Stoermer, reminding you that it's never too late to be the best you've ever been, and I'll see you in the next video.